Do you know what successful entrepreneurs have in common? It's not just luck or connections, it's their mindset. First of all, an entrepreneur must be able to identify visible problems around them. Identifying problems is a fundamental step for any entrepreneur because solving these problems can be the foundation for creating innovative products or services that meet market needs. Problems can be found by carefully observing everyday life. This involves paying attention to the difficulties and frustrations people face, both in their personal and professional lives. This can be done in several ways, like social interactions. Talk to friends, family, co-workers, and other community members. Personal experience. Reflect on your own experiences and daily challenges. Direct observation. Watch and analyze how people perform common tasks and where they encounter difficulties. Systematic information gathering about issues can reveal patterns and trends. This approach may include surveys and interviews. Collect direct feedback through online and offline questionnaires and interviews. Social media and forums. Examine online discussions to identify frequent complaints and concerns. Public data and reports. Analyze market reports, statistics, and other data sources to pinpoint problem areas. Empathy, the ability to understand and share another person's feelings, is crucial for identifying real and relevant problems. Empathy maps serve as a visual tool to understand customers' emotions and behaviours, while analysing customer journeys helps identify pain points throughout the complete experience with a product or service. Benchmarking and competitor analysis involves studying the competition to uncover problems that haven't been adequately addressed. Conducting a SWOT analysis helps identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to competitors, while reading customer reviews of existing products and services reveals areas of dissatisfaction. Prototyping and testing are crucial steps after identifying potential problems to validate assumptions with prototypes and real feedback. Developing a minimum viable product allows for market testing with a simplified version of the product or service, while A/B testing involves experiments to compare different approaches and determine which one better solves the identified problem. The process of identifying problems is ongoing. After launching a solution, it's crucial to keep observing, collecting feedback, and adjusting as needed. PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, act. Plan, execute, check, and act based on the results obtained. Identifying problems around requires a mix of careful observation, empathy, data analysis, and experimentation. A successful entrepreneur is always attentive to people's needs and challenges. I hope you can using this information to create valuable and innovative solutions. Just like we can identify problems, we can also spot the like and subscribe buttons. So my friends, hit that subscribe button.